Hello, I giving Boboy Nameirakpam. Nahan Pumas the Esorgi wapaogi buggy the Maglak Piva and Sigi the Markatagatory. Agi Prathnadi, Nahan attack the wapa and Sigi mapalna, Esorbu and nungsiba, amasung mahaki me, aduga mahaki singlup in a nungsibasini. The Wehana Nahakin from the Nolukchoning Badudi, Nahan attack the wapao asina. Nahanaki singlup the Pipam Topanaki commitment, amasung Nahaki singluki luching missing in Makapon Pam Tokpa adugi Mahutisilhandigan. Adu wapao Sigi mapalna. Nagising lupa hina nungsiba, nagising lupa luching meesingbu hina nungsiba, adu quite maruoina, Esorna matik mangalig na hingbagi punsi the chocolate badu, eki prathanani. Ibang umaki wapao, taminas.
loinana Thessalonians chapter 2 verses 1 to 12. Maramdi sila nausa ay ko na nakoi nanakta lakhiba adu arema natte haiba na koi na sana khangi adu buna koi na khangmugum na ay ko na Filipida awaba amasung ikaiba nangkrabasu mayok na ba kayagi marakta ay koi na Esorgi afaba wapa adu na koi da haidong na ba ay koi gi Esorda ay koi na thauna phaki maramdi Aikoina na khoibu thogatpa adu launamdagi natraga sengdabadagi natraga marai mara tawbadagi nate adu wapa adu sinanaba aikoibu Esorna yabibagi maramna aikoina meesingbu penhanaba nataduna aikoigi pukningbu chang yengbiba Esorbu penhanduna aikoina wa ngange maramdi nakoina khangmagumna aikoina kaidau ngaidasu thagat sinade karambagi maramda tawsunakide Esorna sakini Chris agi bakon sa missing oina nakhoi da potlum puhan bagi matik akhoi da lairabasu missing dagi orbasu nakhoi dagi orbasu atwa missing dagi orbasu akhoi na thagat pa thide adugi mahuta mamana mahaki mahak masamaki macha singbu lu na chana tobugumna akhoi na su nakhoi narakta pung tapki nakhoi bo suknungsina pamjaduna akhoi Esorgi afaba wapa na khoi da pibada natana akhoi isamak ki thawai kathokpa pamjabani maramdi nakhoi da akhoi na nungsijabani maramdi sila nausa akhoi na sunomba amasung awa banangba nakhoi na ningsingi akhoi na nakhoi kana amatabu polum puhandanaba ahi nungthil nadina thabuk suduna akhoi na nakhoi da Esorgi wapa sandoki akhoi na sengna dharma chena amasung amakpa leitana thajaba nakhoigi narakta matau karamna chatkibage Heiba nakhoi amasung Esorna sakhini mapamana masamaki mahakmaki machasingda tobugumna aikoina nakhoibu thaugat pikhi themjin biki amasung yathang pikhiba nakhoina khangi masi nakhoibu mahakining tholibakta amasung matik mangalda kobikraba Esorgi damak nakhoina matik chana chanabani prahna dos Esorgi mating is Paisor kunaki wahai lakjari chamdidune khoi mateng pangbi naki wahai asigi ningthijaba singa asigi mita aikhoi amamda naki wahai gi mapana chumna musung sengna khoi tambi prunaki wahai asibu mamutana musung sengna khangnabgi damakta miyoibe khogi pangal leite prunaki loksingi awangba aduga ai adugi mamang aikhoi miyoibe gi oibe loksingsi ikainingaini adunaki thawai khoi mark lebena marmoraga adunaki thawaina aikhoigi nungda tatan lebena maram orakanda adunaki thawaina Kristagi wahai sing asibu gyan tahanbigini hana Krista na hangna wasik pikibena maram orakanda Prabhu haiba bor the mik pungja sidana phamdagi nizeri aikhoibu tambiu Krista aikhoibu biu aduga aikhoigi pap sing sutpi aikhoigi asulma sing sutpi nahaki thawgol matau karam hana khaanga dogono hana habisu maik na aikhoibu tambiu adun hana khoi uppi gede khoi asonba sing amasung pap sing doi puning hongnaba pangal pinabi adu pa masu pinabi adu na hakna akhoi tawhaning basing du tawnana bagi damakta pangal su marang kai nana khoi da pinabi Paisor afum da kasinjari akhoi nakong akhoi thamoi akhoi wakhal akhoi hakchang khuding mak yauna na ki wai se tajaba da akhoi mateng pangbi na ha ku su mateng pangbi na ki na wang sunu akhoi na nem sunu I have an name, Jesus Christ, Amen. Mamangi nomaising anidagi haraga lakpi bichali nausing khangbagum ekhoi singlubasi ekhoi singlubda hojik missions ka mari leinaba tangkak sing dei khoi yengli ihan hanba nomaising da ekhoi mission gi mathau taba ani subada ekhoi mission gi oiba yathang adu ngasir gi numit ekhoi yengmina gadauba sina missions da Khaang Heiba matangda ko yengmina gani ekhoi mamangi nomaising dagi tar khraba dugumna missions haina haiba se Singlupta pinabiba amani. Missions is for the church alone because the church is God's plan A for missions. Aduna singlup haiba si thajakraba khudimok singna pullaga saba Krista gak chang amani. Aduna haiba missions is singlupta pinabiri aduga haiba missions asi Jesu Krista gi apa wapa adu sandoktuna zati singbu sebok semba asi singlupta pinabiba missions ni thaugal ni tawduba amani harba Jesu Christ gi yathang ni aduga harba tawduba yadaba maram tawduba yadaba gi maram Jesu Christ na aikon ihan han nomazing da aikon na tamin yakra badu Jesu Christ na haiba kaino khawgodoba lobukti adu kemete gi yame adu sugodoba midi yamde aduna harba khudimok sin khone wakal tawminaraba matungda aduga aikon mamangi nomazing de yengkhiba adu Heiba Jesu Christ na maki sebok singda adug maki siglup oikraba thajaba khudingmak singda pikraba asigi missions ki daita adu kayagi matik chawbuno haina haibudani Indeed, the task of missions is great. Away mangne thawul tawgi mangkraba thawai singda phabu wapau sanokuna makoi bi sebok sembagi thawul ase aduki matik chawe aduga miye bekogi pangal gi wang madani aikona tawba ngamba ama nate aikogi miye begi oiba pangal da aduga haiba se koina khangmina bagal loinana aikoina makhata na wakal ngasigi mi koina kanthamina da gado se yes missions is great the work and the task of missions is great and so it demands a toiling labor thabak kanna suba adu missions asina maram oirakanda Jesu Christ gi yathang sebok semba apa wapa sanok pagi mapalna sebok semba thajabasingbu sebok semba makoi baptize tabiba aduga Jesu Christ gi yathang khudimok sing tambiba takpiba khudingmak sing asigi thaugal asi chawbana maram orakana aduga matik leibana sumaram oiraga hariba thabak asi isa gi kadagi or singlup manu amada member am oiba matamda kachinda thaba chokri amada phamakanda losinga do amanate It demands toiling labor. Thabak kanna suba adu Esorna pame, Christana pame. Aduga haiba se chawba khaktang natte thawgol thabak se chawba khaktang natte aduga thabak adu suna nabagi da kayam yam na mathau taban adu khaktang sunate aduga aikona thabak suba matam aikoi gi suriba missions taw gado riba adugi mahai adu su Esorna housing natraga ngasi or aikoi ni hinglingi matam asida adugi mahai de khoi da pini hain Esorna ko wasakte It is not only a toiling labor, but the fruit of our labor is not even promised to us here and now. Aduga missions ki thawgol se tawba matamda aikoina o chahi manga da asigi thabak tawge or chahi tara bo asigi thabak tawge haina habi plan sembadi yai adugi matungda prahan tawga kana honobadi adubu chahi manga gi matungda om tara gi matungda singlup asina aduga aikoina sori thawul tawba matamda oi haningi ba moong chap chan oin haiba kasu leite aduga ahoina dum karing matamda aikoina plan toriba adugi henna sangba matam single chahi manga gi plan du tara chatpagi mathau ta matang le tara gi plan du kun chatpagi mathau ta matang yamna le aduga asegi mathakta su aikoina thawul tawgodori mafam ase mission field ase icham chamba mission field amanante it is not an easy ground. Not only missions is great, not only it demands toiling labor, and not only the fruit is promised, or not only it takes longer than we expected, but also on the top of it, the mission field is not an easy ground. Arriba from amanate. Maramdi, thawgal to from where mission field adu the lady, meesinggi say mang leba thawai sing says Josiah padu taruki pada mapalna yembo target. These are people who keep on hearing but do not understand. And keep on seeing but do not perceive. Udi uba adubu gyan tadaba tadi taba adubu lausan mangamda missing. aduna Josiah panduk tarukta Esorna Isaiah gi mafamda Josiah gi mafamda mahana tawgudo thawgul matawdu karamaina ule verse 9 da har ule matung verse 10 ga man ha gi meesing asigi thamoi kan halu karamaina wapao sandok pagi mapalna wapao sandok kan meesing thamoi thoto kan Esorna mon lakadra haina haibi gi mot wapao sandok pa hel hel har meesing adu gi thamoi da kal hena cancel lakani makhoi mana kalhalu adu makhoi gi mamin mamsin halu natrabadi makhoi gi mamin ugani makhoi gi mana na tagani makhoi gi thamoi na wakhal Tagani aduga halakani amasung makoi phangani aduga hari basa Josiah hangadu. This is the very obvious question every church and every believer should ask. Kani ko makona wapao sanok matam the meesing adu puning hona pai magudu hena kansan mo iba targadi. Aduga holo kyam sang tawdu ne ko. How long? That is verse 11. That is Isaiah's question to God. How long should we do that? Prabhu kayam sang sige tawdu aina tawdu je. Sahar sing mi ta da makai mang tak bu hendri phawa yum sing mi amata le da matam phawa leibak adu tum mang du phawa Jehovah na mi sing adu lapna puthok triba leibak adu gi manung da thalok lamba amasung mafam sing yam dru phawa adu leibak adu da saruk tara gi ama leihogani masi halakani amasung maina chakthokani uyung pambi amagum amasung elon upal amagum makhoi kakthatpa matamda makhoi gi uchung leihogani asengba maru adu di masigi uchungni monje Esorna hairi kan opao sanok matamda kanbiroi hain haibanate kanbi gani adubu kanbi ge meesing do adukki matik yamde now adukki matik yamde hain haiba matam se akhoi wakal omi amani adu wakal na te maramdi akhoi phono pibada yangbu matam Esor gi mang magi kanbiro meesing adu masing thiba ngamda makhayami adu muhammad sa Isaiah Esorna hairi se kaino hain haib oiba targadi apaba wapao sanok poda harau harana loksing adu mi leiro yamna aduna thawgalase chawe thawgalase aduki matik thabakana suba mathok ta aduga thawul tawdre mafam asu aduki matik lu aduga haiba lubagi changa je Jesu Christ na mathe pan tara pada tara taruk mahana magi sebok sing adu ihan hanbagi thawgal la thabadu de khoi mek sing uba phangi kar mahana Jesu Christ na ya na khoi bu kaisal sing marak ta yaw sing na thari bane. So this is a task of mission. This is how we should labor in missions as sheep in the midst of wolves. Adu haibu khudimong sing nangam sungai ngonda utpase kaino haina haibo iba targadi missions ki oiba thabak ase missions ki oiba thabak asina thawai yauna amasung kan hona bagal loina ba thabak matau ngai ba nataba adugu chancellor to thabak matau aduga tatpa leitaba haizaba dugi mathau tabdu makes an uba phangi. This also says that the work of missions demands intentional labor with much prayer. Adugi samsam haibo iba targadi missions ase missions asida khaangba kanba se mathau taba nate adubu missions ta khaangba kanba haibe se oipam thopa mane. Missions does not need perseverance, rather missions demands perseverance. Aduga haiba se aikoina hangado wahang se hoi khaangba mathau tai thogol thogol adu oiba tare de karam haino khaang du se haiba wahang ase singlup amoina gospel community church na hangdo wahang maramdi aikoina apabu wapao sanukpa matamda ayet pasing soidana lakani aduga puning sontaba matam sing lakani aikoina evangelism di tawruba adugidi meesing ga chahi ama or tha khara or hapta khara puminara kan apabu wapao sanduba college campus sala kanda bible study sing piru matam khuding mak sing aduda thajarakkadauba manmi sing thajaraktaba adu hena yam khalakadauba mahuta mi hena hantharakpa khudimak sing du uruk matam da thamo sondaba matam sing soidana legani aduga aikoina semgatliba amasung wapao sandu iba mi sing du no onsallaga aikoida awaba pe ko matam sing lay aduga laygani aduga laybe aduga haiba matam adu aikoi awaba sing nangi adu haiba khudimak sing se missions ki thabak tawba matam da thawul tawba matam da anowa manate hurt, discouragement, and possible opposition. These are just usual thing in the work of missions, not an unusual things. I say I quit the Khaang talk no I quit Hamana Tedu I quit a river sword. I do a batagadi. I quit Nasim I quit hanging the Wang Karam Haina Asigumba Asukimatic Luraba Amasung Mui by Kogi Pangalgi Wang Mother later. So I quit Mui Pangal Nangam the Tabak Asida Khaang Makan Baglun and Maipuna Karam Hainasigi Tabak Setogani karam haina maram ekhoi da adu gi missions ki yathang du krishna pina piri adu haib indaba oiba tar ga ekhoi prabhu gi haib indaba ni adu haib indaba matam khuding gi ekhoi pap tawri bani apaba wapa sanong na bam sung sebok sem na gi yathang indaba khuding gi pap tawri bani adu ekhoi oifam thokte adu bu thogol asi adu ki matik chawe kalle adu ga demand yam na le adu oiba tar gi singlup amo ina karam haina ekhoi chat kan yam sung chen gani hai wang si pau khum masine ekhoi ngasi pamina kraba Thessalonians ham Thessalonians pantu ani gi amadagna tarani thone khoi da pibus First Thessalonians chapter 2 verse 1 to 12 give the answers of how we ought to persevere in missions as a church. Thessalonians ki these ekhoi yang bo ba tar ga di Paul mark ani suba missionary ki journey da plan term church amane aduga hai riba si khanging bo ba tar ga di pakon ba singi da pakon tara taru pa ba matam making na khangani aduga hai singlup asida Paul Sila amasung mafam asida Silvanus ana hai ba Sila ne aduga Paul Sila amasung Timothy ne iba chi thi ne aduga chapter 1 da khoni yeng bo ba tar ga di Paul na amasung Paul Timothy amasung Silas makhoina Thessalonians ka dala ikraba thajabasing makoi anoba thajabasing adu awaba nangli ba thajabasing apa wapaogi de makta adu bu makoi awaba sing adu gi makta makoi mission service church amane apa wapao sonoi ba singlup amane makoi awaba nangli ba singlup amane har ba singlup asigi makoi thajaba amasung makoi gi example adu gi matang le isor bu thagat pa galona Paul makoi bu comment to khon chapter 1 uba bang adu har ba chapter adu da khon adum yeng bu oiba tar gi har ba thajabasing asigi punsi da nungsibagi thabak amasung thajabagi thabak adu khaktang sunatana asaglune na khaang makan bu makhoi uba phange labor of love work of faith and perseverance of hope adu har ba khudimok sang mahang na Thessalonians gi thajabasing asigi matang da har matung da chapter 2 lakpa matam da di karam haina Paul Sila amasung Timothy na makhoina singlup adu plan tawba matam da Thessalonians ka makhoina leramba matam adu thajabasing adu gi mamangda makhoigi punsi adu karam haina leramba gi haina ha chapter 2 asida gi mahang haiba ho adu ga haiba jaga adu de ekhona ngasi gi mete yengminari bese adu ga maru ana mana chapter 2 gi verse 1 dagina 12 power base man ha gi dori bese not necessarily karam haina makhoina thajabasing adu gi marka lerame adu khakta nate adu karam haina Paul Sila amasung Timothy makhoi asina Thessalonians ka da thogol to lakpa matam da haiba thogol gi matau adu da karam haina makhoi khaang ke bagi haina haibadune This section shows how Paul Silas and Timothy persevere the manner of the perseverance aduna haiba asi aikhoigi gospel community church ki aikhoigi guiding principle ne karam haina koi thogol da khaang gani haina haibadu karam thogol matau to gani haina haibadu aduna khona pamina kraba chapter 2 ki verse 1 to 12 powers de khona khamina ga acho world adu as ale isin bi bechel inausing isin no bi itam no dum hajar ke apa ba wapaw gi matung inba thajabasingna meesingbu tasengna nungsibagi mapalna amasung makhoigi mamangda asengba punsi hingbagi mapalna missions ta khaangee The gospel filled Christians persevere in missions by loving the people genuinely and living a holy life before them. Aduga verse amadagina pada tarana thoi phawa sim ani thona khai verse 1 dagin 8 phawa khoni yengmina ga do bose missions ta meesingbu tasengna nungsibaga na khaangu missions ta meesingbu tasengna nungsibaga na khaangu maramdi madu Esorna yabiraba meesinggi punsini Persevere in missions by loving the people genuinely. For that is the life of the people approved by God. Look at verse 9, verse 12. Power was it now? Meesinggi mamangda asengbagi punsi hingbagi mapalna missions ta khaangu. Maramdi maduna apa wapaogi sakhi adubu hena chethale. Angwana. Meesinggi mamangda Oh, I couldn't walk out on the meesinggi mamangda, thajabasingna mamangda. Meesinggi mamangda, asengba punsi, hingbagi mapalna, missions ta khaangu. Maramdi maduna, apaba wapaogi sakhi adubu hena chethale. Persevere in missions by living a holy life before people, for it commends the preaching of the gospel. verse 1 verse 1 to 8. Mission sa karamana persevere togani. Mission sa meesingbu tasengna nungsibaga khaang khaang. Maramdi madu Esorna yabiraba meesinggi punsini. Persevere in missions by loving the people genuinely, for that is the life of the people approved by God. Yung po nakamana verse 1 hogan hain maramdi ichilinausa. Maramdi ichilinausa ay koi na nakoi gi nanakta lakhiba adu aremba natte haiba nakoi nasana khangi. Now, Paul na mahang na chapter 2 verse 1 dagi na verse 12 phauba sid mana hairpuma matam na mahang tatna sisina gadu wahaya makhagle. Nakoi na khangi, nakoi na ui, so you know, you yourself know. Asigi waisi mana tatna dum sisina rakadu. As mapama sa Paul na chapter 2 verse 1 to 12 powers the makhoina Thessalonians da thawal tawbagi matam adugi matang adu thajaba oiraba sing adugi mamangda makhoigi punsi adu karam haina chumna amasung seng Esorgi mamangda hingba punsi adu makhoigi mamangda karam haina hingbagi haina habdu mamangda mayek sing na hai. Now, hangbe karigdamak no Paul na Thessalonians gi thajabasingna chithis even matam asing matang haiba mathau tarise most probably adugi matam adu Paul silamasung Timothy makhoigi thawgol adu da lana pautam san aduga makhoigi matang da lana sandokpa meesingna Thessalonians gi thajabasing mpham da laamba singi achouba oithokpa yaba jaga sing kharle aduna haiba adu defend on na bagi damak suni adubu haiba se magna defend on na bagi dam seasoner ibase makhoigi punsi adu magni tausinaba amanate aduga makoina hingkidaba makoina oikidaba aduga makoigi thamoide phawkidaba ama phawba amagumna hingkiba amagumna aduga oikiba amagumna haibanate. After all, this letter of 1 Thessalonians was written by Paul under the inspiration of the Holy Spirit, and God cannot lie. I say Esorgi thawain ikiba chithini aduna chinthide aduna chapter 2 verse 1 to 12 phawba se akoi dum yengminarpa matamda I hang na koi loinana I koi loinana attention people pam wahai adu you yourself know na koi na khaange na koi na sakhini haina haiba wahai ko mosing Esorna sakhini haiba wahai ko mosing attention people pam maramdi kan haiba oba targadi haiba wahai du sinaba gi mapalna phone toriba se ma gi se thia sibu pagadriba thajabasing adugi apapata khangnaba wakhal adu yaunni mahana wa nganglibi se. Paul is addressing to the conscience of the people with moral authority. Maramdi karigino haiba targadi mahang asida tawribase aikoina hingiba punsi se aikoina hingi haina haibate nakoina su khange nakoina sakini aduga nakoi katanate Esorna su sakini aduni mahang hairise karamana no Paul asi punsi haiba ngami why can Paul say so, demanding a witness, a testimony from them? Because they lived out this life by the grace of God, before the people of God, for the glory of God, to fulfill the missions of God. As mo ko na haibang ngambagi maramdi Esorgi thawgol adu Esorgi thawjal gi pan Esorgi meesinggi mamangda mapung phan na bagi damak Esorgi mati mahal gi damak asigi punsi asima mako na hingkiba na maram organ. And this became a very strong testimony. Maramdi Paul hagadiba wa khuding magsing asi sandokpa na sandokpa punsina ama hingba adugi maong nate samsung haiba oiba targadi wapao sandokpa nupa ama khagle mana karamana haigi haiba targadi sumana hai kaimana sandokliba wapao aduga na ki punsiduga manada ba oiba targadi na ki punsibu khangba meesinggi mamang na wapao sandokpa matamda na ki wahai sing na pulpit tagi ahobo khonil loinana lawba yai adubu lasing mapolama dona nangi pulpit mang dum tagani. It will never reach their heart. It will never reach their ears. It will never reach their conscience. If you so this is what one of I would say my mentor says this. If your life and your doctrine is different, if you do not live the way you ought to live, no matter how good theology you teach, and no matter how loudly you shout from the pulpit, every word of yours would be like a cotton ball. It will never reach their conscience. It will never reach their heart. It will never reach their ear. adu phol ma pham se tori bi adu na no it was not a cotton ball it was a wrecking ball mari moi gi thamo ju loina mai hoi chum Paul and Mahomes the Hacker of Kudimoxing as a Thessalonians like about thajabasingna asidi Paul punsi ukide asidi Silaski or Timothy punsi uki amata Heiba makhoigi chapchano ki punsi dene aduna asigi wising se harpmatan the makhoigi thamoi loinana and Paul has the moral authority because he lived out this life. Aduna verse 1 have look at aremba the oide it was not in vain. Makhoida Thessalonians thajabasing adugi mapamda lakhiba du karigin makhoi lakhse apabu wapaw du pur matama ma Thessalonians apabu wapaw yauramde Christian amata leramde adu Christian amata leitringe matam thajabadu singlup amata leitinge matam adu Paul na Philippi dagi la akan the Thessalonians yausala akan apabu wapaw do sando ini adu mahana harise adu aremba manate kari karamba ma ke duna aremba natribase adu aremba nataba oibagi maramdi Paul Honan Matamdu Togiba Toggle Adugi Mahi Adu Matamdu the Suyanki Adu Hauzik Suya Adu Akoina Kerman chapter 1 verse 9 the Mount Asumanai Maram the Akoigi Maramda Hybrid Akoibu Nakoin Matokram Okiba amasung Ahingba amasung Achumba Isorba Nakoina Toggle Tonova Lai Mutigi Karamna Isordagi Nakoin Olakiba Aduga Asiba Singi Maratagi Mount Hingi Pikiba Mahaki Matanipa Adubu Sargadagi Nainaba Makoi Masana pau tami masani pau di lakado asaw ba di ekhoy kan bi ba jisuni Muhammad Paul Harrisini I couldn't like the Mahayan ba marakamani I couldn't talk about how to matamadu Mahayale how's Mahayale Kramana Nakoi Sakin you are my evidence matamadu Nakoi Lai Mutilala Nakoine Adu Nakoi Lai Mutilapa Pugning Hokan Isor Tazaraga Jesu Christ Tazarakan Nakoi Jesu Christ Tazabakatan Awabasu Khaangee to get wapaogi maramdi the makta Awabasu Nangi Adu Katang Sunatana Jesu Christ Amukhana Lapo to Nai Nakoi asing Adune Aduga Heiba Asigi Latin man it was not in vain. I couldn't talk about Toggle, Aremba Toggle Amanate, I don't talk about the Pangto Tokiba, mission reporter, Ibiana talk about Toggle Amanate. No, it wasn't. It was not in vain. It bears fruit then and now, and you are my witness. I don't know if I'm how you say. Aduga Heiba do Karam Haina Makoina Philippi, the Gi, Karam Haina Thessalonians, I like it, I have the man verse 2 the Haina. Philippi the Makoi Awabasing Ikai Aduga conflicting thing, my own numbers in Makoi thing. No, I couldn't come over the Paul amasung Sila amasung Timothy, Aduga Silas amasung Timothy do Nakang Tamboy Badars, Paul Gimagi Toggle Gimagi Mark Amakai over Targeti, Magi whole mark Amhai over Targeti, surrounded suffering, abounded suffering. Paul Gimagi Toggle, I couldn't Uber Panga, our Khaangee Khaang, Karigumba chapter 16, actually young boy but Targeti, Paul Amasung Sila, jail the Paragatamudi. 16 of 17 echo young boy but Target. Aduga Heiba, Anu Wamanate, Aduna Philippi the Toggle the woman, the Philippi the wapaogi Toggle the woman, the Makoi, our Khaangee, me pu, Aduga Moi Matak Tongan, Ikai Besing Nambam. Kuding maxing makoising the Lord Martin Adugo Heiba Ikai basing Heiba Awabasing Adugo Heiba Coin conflicting amasung Warisan of Maria number Kuding maxing up about Wapog Matangaton about debate Kuding maxing Adu labor over Targasu Adugo Makoi Matak me Mayam and Hat never get a market lap Adugo Makoi Puna within lap Kuding maxing the over Darks I'm going to Antioch the Hangi de Poy. No. Adugi Awana Kuding maxing Adu power labor Matamadu power Makoi Philippi the Thessalonians got on like what was not with them. Arrival and Bira Nate Ikaiba, Awaba Musung, conflict, Mayuk Nabukayagi, Maratani. Alu Makoin Apa Wapa, Makoin Laki, but Maru in a tube never get a Makalaki, Manate, Adubu Apa Wapas. Look at verse 2. Ye Amukoneo, Kayagi Marata Nakhoigi, Nakoin Isorgi Apa Wapa Adu. I coin a Isor Apa Wapa Adu Nakoi the Haidong Naba, I coin Isor the I coigi Isorda, I coin a Tauna Paki. Hakzang there Makon Tonga Pay has nate, Purak but Zairak, Amasung Tongan ba Zak Lambasing, Aduga Hematam Sing Huimosing Adugi, Makoi Hakzang, Choktaram Bayamasung, Awabasing Mayam Tangarambe, Aduga Ikai Piru Kumakan Makoi La Amba Matang Sing Mayam Rambe, Adubu Kuding Moxing, Makoi Tana Makoi Hakzangi Pangal, missing the Makoi Pangal, Makoi Pangal, Isor. God was their strength. And in that strength, they came from Philippi amidst all suffering, amidst all shame, amidst all conflict, just to preach the gospel to the Thessalonica. Paisa tingi. Paisa tingi ba natin? Matam dun siya hinatang. How's it again? Hakchang wada ba natin? Adugo po na karigi damak to no. Makoy na lakpo matamda. Makoy na Thessalonica da apabu wapaogi thogol du sandok du haure. Adugo verse 3 da we maramdi aikoi na nakoi bu thogat pa adu launam dagi natraga seng da badagi natraga mari mara to badagi amata nate. Asi aikoi na uba phangi se Paul gi thogol to bagi motive adune. Karamba wakhalong loinana Thessalonica da Thessalonica gi thajabasingna adu gi mafam da thogol to kibagi haina haibad. Makoy na tawkiba thawgol adu karmai na tawkide launam yaudna tawkiba thawgol karamba maike de launam o Jesus Christ thajab oiba targe na koi ki punsi nungai na big thalani Jesus Christ thajab oiba targe na koi awana amata na ngaroi o Jesus Christ thajab oiba targe na koi mising ikai khumna be hengakani like imagine thangat pi be hengakani adu maning na tana mamang oigani adu ki tami khudi mok sing adu na te no they don't allure people by wrong message of the gospel they challenge them by the pure message of the gospel oisu oiroi dobada aranba wasak single loinana makoi na meesing adu da Christian bu oirabadi report se da pirabadi Jerusalem council da Jerusalem da lei horiba thajabasingna adu da apostle singa adu da asidang pirabadi ai je moi mamangda yam ikai khumragani adu ki wakhal do amata leibana tana they preach without any lies minamba mata yaudana launa mata yaudana Esor kanano, Krista kanano, mioiba kanano, aduga papchen ba mi amana Jesus Christ thazab oiba targadi karai da chatkani, aduga kari phangani adubu thazab oiba targadi kari phangani, adu Krista ki tung inbo oiba targadi karamai ingani haiba khuding maki pao ase launam amata taudana, adu asi hoji har oiba targadi moi karamai Christian organi adugi khuding mak sing makoi wakal sing da amata leitana makoi thazab pham amasung pangal khuding mak sing Esor orakanda launam amata yaudana makoi apa wapa oda sandogi. They did not lie in the content of the message of the gospel. And they did not lie about their coming. Asi kata nate and saying the ba lo makoi lagte. Makoi apa wapa sandoi ko matam na ko na sandoi wapa amasung angak pathabos ni torombe ko musun to matam da mission makoi wang na yeng ba amasung makhoigi punsi adugi matang da missing attack wang na yeng ba adugi kaidong salaga adugi achaba matam noraga makoi hakchang gi pen na ba seng da bagi punsi du makoi amat hengkide. Now this is all against the context of the present temple prostitution. Thessalonica da laikraba Esor khangdaba lai muri latba khudingmak sing adu da lairiba thogol tawriba mi sing adu sengdaba amasung nattab lichat chatpa ngakna yamana Paul na haise akhoi adugumna kasu tawde akhoi asengba moina thogol tawki. Not only the content of our message was without any deceived, but also our conduct, it was holy. Aseng badane akhona tawgiba thawgladu aduga makoina tawba matana jukare marai mara amat tawdana karamba maike da marai mara tawba har hiram khudingmak sing asida makoi chin thibagi mapalna aduga makoi dagi tongjaba khara phangnabagi mapal makoi dagi ikai khon khara phangnabagi adugi thawgal matau adu amata tawde Something I would be the Paul and Tokiba Toggle Matau Ase, Hoseki Matan the Shori told when a hand labor missing a cigar Dukima the Kanagu Makaramadi, or Nakoi Esorna nungsibagi and Viba Pangopambra, Siki Mahada Peter 4 numbers, the Pasaka, Asi Pasasno Kalak, but Targadi, Esorna Koi the Saruk Cham and Pishin begin Adu Maton Paul Honetokris. Aduga Paul Honetokris or Karimako Sorry Bor Paning Boy, but targeting a sea, I glow and a hingling minutes, Aduki Toggle Matonate. aduga makoina sandokriba asisu Jesu Christ thajaba oiba taragadi nakhoi awaba ma thengnoi adunate no karigum haiba dugi maigo sandoamba oiba tarage haiba adugu makhoi wapau sandoamba oiba taragadi Paul gi wakal da kakta natana Paul gi thamoida asigi moral authority asigi lona haiba ngamlambagi jaga phawa amatta leite aduga akhoina dum isora asengma aduga magi thawai asengba asengma aduna Bible asigi jaga se yawramoi adu Paul hoin tawba thawgul mata adu haiba khudi mosing du amat laita ba mong isor gi mang tawba thawgul adu haiba du mang verse 40 yengse adu wapau adu sinnabada aikhoi bu isor ya bi maramna why would they do so karamai no khoi this because they work and they do and they preach and they live their life as the people who are approved by God kanana no makoi thawul tawai halise isor makoi thawul tawai halne habje khange makoi thawul tawbagi ayaba phangne pese mi singdagi nate thawone Jerusalemic council adu dagi nate aduga hallekhra Peter amasung James aduga John moi dagi nate aduga tongan Antioch singnu aduna makoi da makoi thawul tawna bagi gidam ayaba maru ene piba nate aseng maki makoi bu thawul taw amone semni bese isor ne yabi bagi mamne isor gi mang the qualified or bagi mamna makoi thawul se torok aduna hairiba adugumba mi amoina as a person, as a people approved by God, they lived out this life. Adu wa bitagadi. Asini Paul has verse 4 sida. Yengse amukhana aikhoi meesingbu pelhana banataduna aikhoi gi pukning bu changing bi isor bu pelhanduna aikhoi na wangangi. Na asini Paul has verse 4 sida. Aikhoi na Thessalonians kya da lekra thajabna khoi ne phamna thawul tawul laklam do na khoi na ko wi mam na sunat ne adu khoi thawul taw ammo in lai bedu meesing na khando ga meesing gi aningbagi matung ne khoi thak pai matung ne lak sunat ne ai khoi bu khando pai bu isor ne ai khoi thawul tawna bi dum aya bi gi isor ne adu na khoi na khoi narak ta lak ai khoi na thawul taw matam ai khoi na pelhun de na khoi na te isor ne adu khai ba isor adu asi bi isor na te hingagale adu haiba ahingba isor adu mapan thangbe se yengba isor manate adu manung thangbagi do yengba isor ne adu ga manung thangba adu chang yengba adu ga manung thangba pukning mu chang yengba isor adu mahak pelhan na ba thawal matok ne khona tawal that is what Paul is very clear about Paul Silas adu ga Timothy makhoi de yamna mayek seng ai khoi thawgol tawgani adu ai khoi thawgol tawma tam ne khoi na pelhan ga se mi ne te adu isor ne maram de ai khoi no mantra ga no modi isor adu gi mana khoi lep kani adu khoi tawi thawgol khuding mak adu gi sakhi loina pigani we will give an account one day before this God and he will examine our heart and he will examine our intention he will judge us one day so our way and manner in which we must do this work of mission is to please not man but the God who will judge us one day. That is what verse 4 is all about. Now, asigi intention si glona thogol da obetagadi verse 5. Verse 5. Karmana mana. Man na khoi na khangbu gumna. See again? Na khoi na khangbu. You know this. You know this. It's not something that you guys don't know. You know how we live our life. Kaya nung na kang ising. Verse 5. Ay ko na kayo ng iso. Tagat sinade. Karambagi maram na tao sinakide. Esorna sa akin. Paul is terrible. He is brutally honest before God. And he is terribly true. Isorgi mamangda amasung magi thamoy isorgi mamangda hangdoog ne mana wangang ising. Maramdi asida man harisini aikhoi se Esorna yabiraba thawul tarba mi ama oibana maram oraga adu aikhoi thawgal ase meesingbu natana isor pelan bagi thawgal mata odu tawgudu buna maram oraga adu hai adu moksuna aikhoi na nakoi na famna tawgrise adugal iroina aikhoi na tawgib thawgal mata adusu aikhoi na thagasin we don't flatter people oidabadu oiba amagumna na asigi thagasin ba se kramana gyan tagado na haina haib oiba targadi it has to do with the content of the message again. Makoina sanokpo wapao mas makoina hingba punsi mahinga. Makoina sanokpo wapao do magi sing numit amada Paul gi manakda Paul Silas aduga Timothy gi manak wapao tan bi de mi group amalai. Aduga haiba group adugi meeting adugi wakal no hana khangdo matung do adu eba tagadi asigi chanaba maong no wapao sundo adugi maong ne manas do Christ. They did not preach the gospel in any way that would accommodate according to the want and need and desire of the people. He did not give the gospel they want. They gave the gospel they needed. Tariba meesing aduna pamba maong na sandokiba wapaosing adu tariba me aduna khangpham thokpa thajapam thokpa makhoigi punsina oipham thokpa losunpham thokpa apawapa aduma aduna mana haise akoi thagatsin we don't flatter unnecessary no koi my tongue the blushing khaangee if God of heaven and earth the creator the holy God asengba dharma mamasung asum Esorna ki why maduna nakhoi papi nan haib matamda akoi nakoi papi na tabagum nakoi haikide nakhoi papi ni aduga paap ke to mani sibane adu jisu christ na akre to paap se na khoi bu kan na bagi de makte ne aduga kari gum na khoi na kan bi phangning bo oba ta gi na khoi paap se me ha ba khang ba na khoi paap dei puning hol kan da jisu christ da thajo ma ki punsi siba mu hingar pa thajo adugi ma pa na kan bi phangani aduga asi na ta na khoi bu kan bi ba ngam ko kana amat like that is the kind of message they preach not according to the desire of those people makoi manakong hakazab hot pagi mongi wapa kusundok nate adu isor magna pamba wapa bible the mayek sengna cham namasung chum na iram laba amasung kanghal laba wapa paul amasung silas amasung timothy da jesu christ gi mapana adu sebok sing adu gi mapana makoi the kanghal laba amasung khangaba wapa adu mag amata jithadana adu yasana ba amata tawdana not only that makoi thaga chinada ba khatna te makoi kari tawde makhoi karamde karambagi marna tausina kide tawgal karam is kare paisa musung ming mang pastor yam tapning ba ming mang missionary yam tapning ba ming mang evangelist yam tapning ba ming mang elder yam tapning ba aduga ming mang da mina korokpa matamda Mina Korokamatam, elder kind of corrupted over target, Tamoise Kaiseva. Mina Korokam, pastor kind of corrupted over target, Tamoise, Hector Punchai side me. I do come on a Paul, Silas, and Timothy, I do come with home to Moit Toki. I do missingly. I do Adugum Mokoi Orchid. I do Atopanaka. Me mentioned, I'm making paisa. Meeting a thousand people, oh, I never want to see you meet sorry, wapa was put Pitaki Pungaman, Sandupo, but I like me, could you moxing it? Or Wapalos, Lapotam, the Kuchok, pass I am no idea about Tamo. I do hire the boy, but I hide the Miss No Mark, those look and Matan although I see music, I do Wakalon, I'm not there. No, Paul na pam da base karam da base kaino haina hai bo bata meesinggi thagatpa meesinggi approval aduga paisa mingjat khuding mark sing adu and makha tak matam adu yam maik sing Paul punste mingjat pam dema maramdi wayan bagi numita Esorna aigi apaba inai adugi minghakne Paul na pam and that's what we know 2 Timothy arabe I supam dog with the sure I fight the good fight I finish the rest and the crown is waiting for me now. Adu hakne Paul gi wakal adu Silas and Timothy wakal leise ate amadana meesing mamangda thakpi phangude adu wayan bagi numi adu Jesu Christ na ikai khumna ba khuding maksing adana and adu khaktung sunatana okay adu haibu phangna bagi mak tausina de yana ba chatpa aduga areng ba khudingi adum ngasanna ba adu gi thabok to makoi kari amada tawde adu khaktung sunatana makoi na hingkida ba punsi adu Heiba punsi, Kudimok in the Hinkide, Aduga Hinkida punsi is Thessalonians, thajabasingna khaangee Heiba Katana. I remember the Kari. It's dangerous. I mean, he's bringing God as his testimony. I'm on the Heiba of that Wabitari Pool and Harjin. I went to Wibita with them. Karama the Yauki. Aduga. I went to Wibita with them. Tagas and the Wibita with Matumate. Sure, Saki. Or I'm on the higher side. He is kind of like personified. Tazari is short. Karam is short. I go Tamoy, Ubang Miso. I go loan talk the wakal sing adu, Makol Hoba Consul in Tabiso. Kanam than a kangdebum from the Kanba wakal adu, Mayexing Ubisor. Amambadu angan boy bisor, Mapam Kudimak the Levisor, Hiram Kudimak Kang bisor, Adu short the man, Esorna Egisaki. Tired of meeting the dragon, wow, why the brain at the man's eyes. He meant it. He meant it. Adu Mahagna. Adu Hakton, verse 6 is among the Christaki Pakons, but missing or never. ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯄꯣꯠꯂꯨꯝ ꯄꯨꯍꯟꯕꯤꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯗ ꯂꯩꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯅꯈꯣꯏꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯗꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯕꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯄ ꯊꯤꯗꯦ ꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯄꯣꯜꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯥꯈꯣꯟ ꯆꯠꯄꯁꯤꯡꯅꯦ ꯌꯤꯁꯨ ꯑꯩ ꯄꯥꯈꯣꯟ ꯆꯠꯄꯅꯤ ꯌꯤꯁꯨ ꯈ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯇꯅ ꯈꯪꯗꯣꯛꯄꯤꯕꯅꯤ ꯌꯤꯁꯨ ꯈ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯇꯅ ꯆꯍꯤ 3 ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯦꯃꯤꯅꯔꯤꯗ ꯇꯝꯕꯤꯔꯛꯄ ꯅꯨꯄꯥ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯌꯤꯁꯨ ꯈ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯇ ꯃꯁꯥꯃꯛꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯑꯃꯔꯣꯝꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯊꯦꯁꯥꯂꯣꯅꯤꯀꯥꯒꯤ ꯊꯥꯖꯕꯁꯤꯡꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯂꯦ ꯃꯦꯝꯕꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯥꯗꯤ ꯑꯄꯣꯁꯇꯜꯅꯤ ꯗ ꯑꯄꯣꯁꯇꯜꯅꯤ he is the apostle capital A apostle ꯅꯤ ꯊꯥꯛꯇꯨ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯛꯄ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯌꯥꯝ ꯋꯥꯡꯉꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯄꯣꯁꯇꯜ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯔꯝꯅ ꯃꯥ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕ ꯐꯪꯕꯗ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯏ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯒꯜꯗꯨ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯄꯤꯕꯗ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯏ ꯃꯥꯅ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯊꯧꯒꯜ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛꯁꯤꯡꯗꯤ ꯑꯋꯥꯃꯟ ꯐꯪꯕꯗ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯏ ꯆꯥꯗꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯊꯧꯒꯜ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯗꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯂꯦꯞꯀꯪ ꯀꯪꯍꯜꯂꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯣ ꯊꯧꯒꯜ ꯇꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯄꯥꯁꯇꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯄꯤꯕ ꯃꯇꯝꯗ ꯈꯪꯅ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯄꯥꯁꯇꯔ ꯑꯣꯏ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯆꯦꯛꯀꯤ ꯌꯨꯝꯗ ꯂꯩꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯄꯥꯁꯇꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯀꯥꯔ ꯊꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯗꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯋꯥꯈꯜ ꯅꯠꯇꯦ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯂꯩꯁꯦ that's for another day ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯦ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯐꯣꯜꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯇꯦꯟꯁꯟꯗꯨꯅꯦ ꯐꯣꯜꯒꯤ ꯊꯧꯒꯜ ꯃꯇꯧꯗꯨꯅꯦ ꯐꯣꯜꯒꯤ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯇꯦꯁꯇꯤꯃꯣꯅꯤꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯈꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯦ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯈꯤꯒꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯒꯜꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯎꯕ ꯐꯪꯉꯤꯁꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯄꯥꯈꯣꯟ ꯆꯠꯄꯁꯤꯡ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯏꯀꯥꯏ ꯈꯨꯝꯅꯕ ꯐꯪꯕꯗ ꯃꯇꯤꯛ ꯆꯥꯏ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯐꯪꯒꯗꯕ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯥ ꯈꯟꯈꯤꯗꯦ ꯃꯥ ꯊꯧꯒꯜ ꯇꯧꯏ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯄ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯊꯥꯒꯠꯄꯤꯔꯒ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡ ꯃꯥꯕꯨ ꯔꯤꯀꯣꯒꯅꯥꯏꯖ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯃꯐꯝꯗꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯄꯥꯡꯒꯜ ꯂꯩꯅ ꯋꯥꯄꯥꯎ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯃꯥꯕꯨ ꯈꯪꯕꯤꯗꯕ ꯖꯒꯥꯗꯅ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯋꯥꯄꯥꯎ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯛꯇꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯕꯤꯇꯦꯛꯅ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯃꯤ ꯌꯥꯝꯃꯒꯅ ꯍꯦꯛꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯞ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯅꯣꯡꯁꯥꯗꯧꯅ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯃꯤ 2-3 ꯈꯛꯇꯪ ꯄꯨꯜꯂꯒꯅ ꯄꯨꯔꯥ ꯇꯦꯊꯔꯒ ꯋꯥꯄꯥꯎ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯌꯥꯎꯗꯕꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯁꯟꯗꯣꯛꯄ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡ ꯑꯃꯠꯇ ꯃꯥ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯗꯦ he didn't do it Paul is not like many of us WhatsApp खर फजबसे स्टेटस थागत पोइबदा कना यंग मी कना हले कना हलदि अदुगी Facebook ते थागत पो और Twitter थागत पोइबदा कना लाइक ते कना कमेंट ते he don't care about it mama mathu da le maramdi thogul gi mai pak haina haibase mi kayam yamna comment tawri mi kayam yamna like tawin natte adu ishor gi mangda asengba oiber ishor gi mangda ikaiba yadaba maong oiber aduni adu oiba targadi mana verse 7 asida asigi thogul terbe khudimo singsi magi summary habida karam makagi thogul maton adu oiba targadi Paul Sila amsung Timothy na Thessalonians kagi thadusing toroma thogul maton verse 7 like a nursing mother machabu mabuk pithakliba mama moi asa mana pusulai se Paul na oiba punsi dumang adu kari aikoi gi marakta mabuk pithakliba mama sing khangba amsung mama sing punsi khangba oiramba targadi this is a picture of self-sacrificial labor macha lairaba nupi amaga macha laikriba nupi amaga yam khenai mama aduna hek macha adu naw puba hobudagi and then adugi matang yengba tar he angang the pok khipanu adudagi di ma chak phaniyam chaing de boiba tar su cha da yar ma chinjak mayam kakkani ma phaniyam wa boiba tar su ma gi angang duna mabuk la amaga kapak matam ma hagut da yar phanayam tuningba oiba taragasu machadugi diaper change tawda yar phanayam na waba oiba taragasu aduga tuningba duna adum namdana adum thamangakpa matang oiba taragasu angang adu iruchabita yar nana thamda yar aduga chaba chinja khuimok sin mana chaning macha maramdi mana chaba khudimok sin magi mabuk thaliba macha oiba maram macha do lorong pangdo nagdo maram orakanda phanayam chaning oiba taragasu chindagi lawthokpagi mongdri mana sacrifice tawudi and that is exactly the picture. Aikoina chini Timothy na aikoina khoi marga thawul tawu matam na mabuk pithakliba mama amagum na khoi thawul tawe aikoi gi nungai ga do khudimok sing na khoi gi nungai na bagi dama ta ka thoe adu aikoi gi leijaba khudimok sing adusu aikoi gi leijaba khudimok sing adusu na khoi gi hena phana bagi dama ka loina pithoe adu aikoi na khoi gi nafam dagi na khoi gi thagat pa na khoi gi nungsiba na khoi gi Nakoi nakoi the tawang ba apaba kuding maxing to expect armata tawdana aikoi nakoi tawang ba apaba kuding maxing adu kita makta ahing nung til naidana awaba amata thidana tumba mache chaba macheta aikoi nakoi bu thawgul tawkhibani aduga haiba kuding maxing adu aikoi nakoi gi nafamda nakoi gi sorakpa matam nakoi na lalakpa matam dasu aduga nakoi snoli wapa sa gyan ta adaba matam dasu haiba mabuk pithaliba mama man macha aduna lamakpa matam aduga man yamna wana tuning bo oba targus nungsina mabuk pithapibagum na kare hemana verse 7 da aikoi na su nakoi gi narakta pukning tapki fuse na te po hoy hai ba missing dugi awan ang singor pum makoi gyan ta da sing makoi ason ba jaga sing makoi lausun ba jaga sing urak pum matam da kanthok ku missing na te they persevere, they don't give up when the people don't respond rightly. Hai missing aduna sa chum na makoi respond taw ba matam adu the power da makoi na kai doi pungning phata bol na Esorna asa thamma galo na makoi nem na amasung tap na makoi gal loina ki amasung loini wakal kala yung mabuk pithi ba mama amana macha do kaplak pa matam da ahing na kaplak pa matam da waring ngamro na khunduk po ba kar mama wa kine da adu na polo kide adu ba ta kide hang ba hang jeng oh Paul nakoi na Paul Silas amasung Timothy nakoi na Thessalonians ki thada basing asida wakal kala ga yengse shor sung khang da meesinggi mark na ko na chalise apa bo makoi da ano bo din amok kang sando ka su gyan ta de ani nak sando ka gyan ta da meesing su dum yaw ni ahum sando ka gyan ta da meesing yaw and then church plan tore matun mature oi da ba du no no khang da ba ngasi khaktang baptize ba du baptize ko meesing loina mak le adu gi mark nuai da basing adu gi Paul ko da lana lo bo khudi ma loina mak le khuding mak sing adu ma ko na loina se kar maina mama aman macha mak loina bagi maong da adu obi da hang ba ya bu hang se how was that possible, what was the motivation of that kind of perseverance? And verse 8 answers because they love them genuinely. Tasengna makoi bu nungsi kare hai nakoi bu asuk nungsina pamjaduna aikoi na Esorna apa bu wapa nakoi de pibata natana aikoi isamaki thawai kathokpa pamjabani. They not only spend what they have, they spend all they are. That's what they do. Isile now makoi marta like thajaba mi amana gyan tarta ba matam da phaniam wa ba oiba targasu hai bisile now phamina kan sori wai do hangdo kan tambiram ngani takpiram ngani adu go pap to bisile now sing adu gi mafam da su pap to na bu tambiram ngani takpiram khuding mak sing adu da phanayam tararak tambiram matung da tararak gyan ta da mi du go tararak phamina ra kan tarama thorak phamina ra kan prarthana go nan tambi takpi khuding mak sing adu khai ba khuding mak sing adu kai no se mi sing lausin de gyan ta de to adu gi wakhon du amat na tana asengba nungsibaga na yung asida Paul na thajabasing adugi mathakta lay makoi nungsibasing asuk nungsina pam they desire them a lot. Isab sa Heiba oiba makoi nungpan on the makhaini. Kari ka changdam na ba sahi mari mga sipai oiraga sahi mga gi madung na chuti phanga ka na magi nupi bu uningbagi maram na yam na khawrang ba adugi khawrang bu magi nupi bu yam uning ba khawrang ba macha sing uning ba khawrang ba duga magi nupi ge matam den mi magi nungsibaga loina ba khawrang adu khawrang ba famsa da hai we desire you so much that we want to spend our all to you. I koi le jere ba khudi mak sing pangal lau sing gyan khudi mak sing loina mak ka thoga and why maramdi na khoi di ai khoi na nungsi jabane karamana Paul amasung Silas amasung Timothy na makoi asengba nungsiba adu makoi da utpage khaang na khaang boy punsi da and this is how they persevere in their missions. Awaba sing adugi marakta ikai sing adugi marakta lona mamata tawdana sengdaba amata yaudana mari mara amata tawdana aduga puning bu changing bu Esorna mamangda mabu pehan bagi thawgul adu karam amata yaudana thagat sinaba amata yaudana tawkiba thawgul khuding mak sing adu makhoi bu asengba maki nungsibagi maram makhoi thawai ga ba aphabadu upa pamagi maram Paul Silas amasung Silas amasung Timothy na toriba thawgul se asiki mi si da aina wapa sondo kan bi phanga matu mo member oba ta mo na kala ko paisa duna ay yum nungai ba le ni adu car oh I missionary journey the henam paisa marang kai adu wakalam na tanate moi wakal paisa leite ikai khumnaba leite adu moi gi maning the backup to winab mi adu wakal career mat leite adu ga oh asi kangbu sing asigi mar thabak man to over the church ki fun mem na yamani adu de no the very care that these people Paul Silas and Timothy and especially Paul have have about these believers in Thessalonica is that they be good in their spiritual walk with the Lord. That's it. Moi kanaba phangir phangogera ikai banangir nangogera makhoigi thawai ge punsi chakot poi ba targadi yare. That's it. Adugi thawai mataw dudare. Genuine love. Asengba nungsiba khramuglo ne ba nungsiba Heiba aduna Heiba thogul ase mapung phan given. And then verse 9 to 12 the I can over pangis again. Verse 9. Holy life. They lived a holy life 9 to 12 before them. Amon Heiba over targadi Paul na sanoli ba wapao adugi matung ina tai ba meesingna makhoigi punsi du yang la pa matamda o asengba makhoigi wapao se aphaban hai makhoigi. And that is very clear. And verse 19, karam maramdi sila na usay koy na su nomba musung awaban nang ba na koy na ningsing. And then na koy na you know this. You remember our toil and our labor. Ay koy na koy kana amata ba polum puhanda na ba ay nung til na na tabak su na ay koy na koy the Esorna apawa pa oda sandoki. Mating pang wala matik chay mo. Tolo pong matik chay. Oi told you how oi ba target. Adu ba mo koy wakal la late. Fairly. Instead of becoming a burden to the believer, they themselves bear their own burden. Makoi polo mo do makoi pujing adu karamai na makoi pujing makoi ahing nung til khai dina ahing til na dina thabok sui. Now karam thabok sui Paul sung Timothy sung Titus Acts 18:3 the young boy but makoi dambur sai. Ado oi tar makoi na Thessalonians kai da leiba matam makoi gi punsi do amutang yeng se makoi wapak sandok ko dine dambur ju sa ka dine. Adu dambur sa ba pangsa sa ka do na te phajana ningthi jana Esorna mati mal chawbu maong de maramdi Esorna mati mal gi damak hingado punsi gi jaga khuri mak sing apwa wapa phajana sandoga hingba punsi dana amat lokhot pi adam gi hingbo oiba targedi that is confusing people aduga apwa wapa phajana sandoga doctrine phajana khanga kan taw thorok thabak tan amat mathong cha da oiba targedi that is confusing people. And this is one of my mentors again say good doctrine and bad life confuses people. Bad life and good doctrine doesn't bear any fruit, but good doctrine and good life bear much fruit. Apaba doctrine, adu pataba punsi aduna, tai meesing adu baram chadhalle, kainuman sandu ije kainuman hingi je. Apaba punsi, aduga pataba tambiba aduna de mahayamat yala. Adu apaba punsi, aduga apaba tambiba anima udu punsi matam de. Esorna mati mga chawu mamangda mahayal, and that is what Paul did. Wabagi wari salagumse Paul why? Damburu sagani customers indugi matam chana pi debusi yaroi adu quality line su sagani maramdi adu ki demak ni mana tambi bu khudi musin mana quality am quantity natna quality de ngatani mana focus story se adu gumba Paul na karimba damburu du panghe sagai mo sabu obi dagade no Martin Luther na haiba gumna Christian na mana mag se Christian haiba se Christian khongup sabu Christian na ase Christian haiba se karmana utkani mana sabu khong sing du cross nappa ganati mana utkadi se adu bodo adu maga khongup samine be meesing adu gi mark adu gi khwai gi apaba makali khongup sargan utkadi se. That is how Christian cobbler testifies Christ, not by putting cross on the shoes, but by making the most good quality shoe. And he did it. The Muru sai, Apa Wapa Sandoi, Aduga Wapa Sanabim Tam Naina Matota, Ladik Pound, Kudimus in the Mal, Loinamak, he did it all, Loinamak, Adu Wadabra, why? Tumba Machet Saba Machet, Tumba Matam Singum Yarmani, Adu Karihainitil announcing, verse 10, Nakoina, I coina saying na, Adu Katanati, Makona, Wapa Sandokibu, Tabaksu Suba, Aduga, Makoi, Kanata the Polumpi among Adu Katan Sunate, Adu Katan Sunatan, Adu Iron and Makoi, Hingmapunsi, Amak Pamat Laitana, saying Aduga Dharmachena. Makoi Punsidagi, oh, Asidi Paul asidi punsi sigadi hingba yaba mi amanate hain do port amat magi punsi laite aduga Paul Silas amasung Timothy makoi punsi dagi misna khudom bi thinba pap amat makoi punsi yaw aduna amak polaite na hain se aduga verse 11 lak matam da kari hai adu obda karam punsi mahin makoni hinglit now verse ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ verse 8 ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ 9 ꯗ ꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯅ 7 verse 7 ꯗ ꯎꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯨꯝꯅ nursing mother ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ verse 11 ꯂꯥꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯥ ꯎꯠꯂꯤꯁꯤ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯀꯔꯝꯕ illustration ꯅꯣ verse 11 ꯗ ꯃꯄꯥ ꯑꯃꯅ ꯃꯍꯥꯛꯃꯛꯀꯤ ꯃꯆꯥ ꯃꯄꯥ ꯑꯃ ꯃꯥꯒꯤ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡꯕꯨ ꯅꯨꯡꯁꯤꯕ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯎꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯃꯆꯥꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯎꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯑꯐꯕ ꯑꯣꯏꯍꯟꯕ ꯃꯄꯥ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯄꯤꯛꯆꯔꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯀꯔꯝꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯋꯤ ꯃꯄꯥ ꯑꯃꯒꯤ ꯃꯑꯣꯡꯗ ꯀꯔꯝꯍꯥꯏꯅ ꯇꯧꯋꯤ ꯃꯥ ꯊꯧꯒꯠꯂꯦ ꯊꯦꯝꯖꯤꯜꯂꯦ ꯌꯥꯊꯪ ꯄꯤ. This is what a good father does. He encourages, exhorts, and he commands. Kaya naman taulis. Verse 12. Masina ko'y mahakining tulibakta amasung matik mga ala ko bikraba isorgi damak na ko'y na matik sana chat na bani. Hada bisil inausing asida Paul na tawri basi kayo na oy ba targadi. Hay ko'y na hek khaang ba ngang na ba yu thak pa mapana machada ibungo yu thakanu ko adugi advice ko pido natte. Nang hek yu thak pa papana phugo dunya adugi watu natte. First, he lived that life. And he commands his people to live that life. His command, the obedience of his command can be seen from his own life. Machasing adu tawdana haibadu Paul na tawdabadu lunam ubang. Adu karina. Naku isamsun haib oy batagdi Paul na temziliba thawguliba sung yathang piriba se karigi damakta no Esorna kaubiraba Marketing totally back to amasung matik malak ubikraba Esorgi damak nakoy na matik sana with them to walk in a manner worthy of God. Now, what's surprising about this verse? No, gidamang seba tawre wana tamak to adu oiba target ay koy bu nungsibiu na. I could support the other than man say, what is my desire? What is my utmost desire? My utmost desire is that you glorify God from your life. That is my desire. And that is the mission. And that is the goal of it. That is the end goal of mission. The end goal of mission is not making disciples. The end goal of mission is that God would be glorified from every disciple that we make. Meesinggi goal say, Sebok se makaknate adu aroy binate adu do aroy badu phangna bagi maram mamane adu oiba targadi kaino akoi missions ki end goal se sebok sem kraba khuding mak sing aduna makoi bu kaubi kraba thajaba amo oina kaubi kraba mahing amasung isor adugi haiba inbada amasung magi aningbada punsi hingba chatpa magi matik mangalda. The end goal of mission, the end goal of our perseverance in mission is to glorify God by the life of a generation of Christ's disciple. That is the end goal. Aduga, Heiba kudimak sing asadi yung chapter 2 give verse 1 dagina verse 8 power verse 9 get 12 ani khaidok na bayaro. Heiba kudimak sing adu mahayan bagi maramdi they live holy life before them and they love them. Asengba nungsibaga lo na ba asengba punsi ani aduna punsila kana wapaogi samdora pumatamda thajabasingna adugi mafamda mahayan bu uba phange aduga makhoigi thawgal adu mahayan daba ama oide aduga thajabasingna inausing Paul kari damakna why would Paul command them to walk in a manner worthy of God? Because they can, because of Christ. Krising mamna mamni Heiba meesinggi matam amada pawasung ayol ana siramba meesing ne aduga makhoigi asiba adudagi Esorna masana pa Krisagi apaba wapaogi mapalna Krisagi hingba siba amasung hingat pa adugi mapalna makhoibu kaubire makhoibu sargagi nagri amam oina aran khomda makhoibu kaubire aran khom pibire kanbire aduga maki ningtholibaki machasing ningtholibaki amasung maki matik maki nagrik sing ohanbire aduna maram oraga sirambadu hingleba maramna Esorgi Heiba inba ngambagi pangal adu ibung mana pine aduna makoi Esorgi matik chaba maong da chatpa ngambadu oithokpane. It is possible. Christian does change. And Christian must change because of Christ. For once we were dead, but we are now alive in Christ because of Christ. I going to chapter 1 the verse. Chapter 2 verse 1 the 12 power was it. I go sing amoy na pa wapaos na open. Evangelism tawani, discipleship tawani, discipling ko tawani. Aduga college campus na chatla kan wapaos sing salong na bamsung Bible study sing tawna na widam da ko thorang tawri prana tawri. Esorna yabiraba thong sing sodan hangdok pirakani. Adubu housing madam da ko na khanmi na ko singrup amo ona khanmi ka do asini. nang amasung ngaina akoi personal level haji wapau sandok liba sing amasung hospitality the worries hanre sing amasung singup se lakraba mi sing ase akoi gi investment khudi mo sing tawbu matamda kariguma makoi gi response ado akoi na pamba adu gi matung inba oidaba matamda nang amasung ai thamoi adu karmain tawi how is our response when we don't get what we want? Discouraged? Of course. Discouraged. Sugam kuin tawrakanda sugam kuin Bible paminor sugam kuin like paminor kanda asibo gyan taram din, right? But see, akoi pangalan natin siya. Akoi pangalan ngam gulo amta lete. Isori pangalan ko ngam gani. Awana thengna gani. Apa wabo sanok pa matam thingak pa sing mayam lakani. Marup sing na ima ipa na pero lekai na sagai na natin khudi man thingak pa lakani adugi matam du akoi pangal gi haurak phamse isor khatang hoigani. Maramdi kari makoi thengna ba awana sing du yang boy bata akoi hena wasan gani. So may we be encouraged by the life of Paul, Silas, and Timothy. Their life of being bold in God when people revile us for evangelism. Apa wapau sandok pagi malam ni ikai pirak pumatamda akoi Prabhu da Isori panglakan masing masing. Adugo thajabasingna inausing nang amsung na sandok liba apa wapau sa meesing na taning na ba moong da sendok sanulaga sandokum se meesing de Isor kanano amasung ibungo mahag na magi kusem dagi karipami Heiba mayek sing na khangan se akoi Isor to asengba dharma se amsung leisembi Isor ne aduna mahag na sembi kraba amana akoi mir basi bu sembi adugo akoi magi sendo meesing oiba maram na akoi magi Heiba in pamthoe magi thawol bom thoe adu pap ta takre magi Heiba indre akoi adugo magi mayok to lai adugo akoi pap ta tare pap chen masing oire adugo Isor de asengba dharma se amasung achumbo oiba maram na pap sing dandi soidna pigin adugo pap se masing soidna magi asaw nangani norok ta soidna charkani adugo Jisu Christ adu magi nungsibada thabire mangonda papik puni honun thajar kraba khudi mak sindu kan bina bogi damakta Christ na hinge dharma se magi punsi adugo sire magi misingi pap ki mafam da amasung pap ki damakta humni suba numite hingale adugo kanagumana kan bibe phangning boiba targadi Heiba Christian lo kraba thabak adu pap ta ki puni honun thajar ko bende asigi wapa os ne ko na sanok de asigi honok do karim ta leite kari amma ta leite Jisu Christ yaw do khuding mak pap chen ma sing ne papi ne adu Heiba adu ima orambe adu ipa orambe adu na khwali nungsi mi orambe marup orambe makoi papi ngakta ne adu makoi papi or makoi papi ne haba makoi taba mathau ta adu makoi pap ki atoma keno khangma mathau ta adu Esorna Christ ki ma na to bikhiba afaba wapau gi thabau du makoi khangma mathau ta adu karamaina kanbiba phanggodino haina Heiba su akoina takpi mathau ta adu haibi mathau ta we ought to preach this gospel in full so that they will repent from their sin and live, and that is the message, the genuine one, without any adulteration and compromise. May we not adulterate the gospel and compromise the gospel. Discipleship evangelism tawbu matam amsung akoi slum na mission ki tabak tawbu matam aikoina yengi se kan agi mati mal nang amsung ai gira. Do you seek your glory? Shame be on us if we do that. Shame on us. No, we seek for the glory of God. Sorry, nang masung aina mangkro thwai sing da masung nang masung aina hojik matam sebok sem le meesing na gyan tak ta matam da nang masung ai thamoi makhoigi nungsiba leibra. Do we really love those people whom we are evangelizing and discipling? Agoi the nungsiba leibra sing magi like a nursing mother, like a nursing mother. Evangelism to or the discipleship relationship ta larik pam mina ba matam da adu gyan tak ta matam da adu mamang hapta da pa ki bu amu ko na gyan ta da lak pa matam da karamana koi worship adu matam da. Are we gentle with them? Uning tap na amasung nem na khangan na or just sour frustration to put pro. Maybe not be so. Maybe not. May we repent if we don't have compassion towards them. Inaus akoi thawol se tawbu matam da akoi kana banatna Isor gi amasung magi meesing kana badu thise adu si wang sai akoi mok te ha khange adom gi Isor khangre ba ing manung imai pa marum mapang college amsung university level khuding musing aduna adom gi punsi gi matang na kari haini. Will they say that this so and so person is a person that lives a holy life? Or say atopa mada adom gi sor khang de marum pang sin adom gi mamangda masong pang na de wari do allamada thingna wari sabang ambagi matik leura. If that is true, something is wrong. Can the people around us say that we do live a holy life? Can we say with Paul, speaking into their conscience, that you know we live a holy life? Can we say that? Aku nung ki kuding jale punsi ase isor gi mati mga chang punsi mahing do oibra. Thajabasingna ina sa aku wakal kan adu thajda ba maru. Isor gi ning khlewa kan hak yaudre. Adu oibda na ha ki panthung di si banin nor hokni. Christ ta lakpi. Adu thajda basil ina sing. Jesus Christ gi Great Commission ase. Achum ba pao adu ga asengba punsi ani duna fulfilled. The Great Commission of our Savior can be only fulfilled by a holy content and a holy conduct. Only and only then our message will be heard. Souls will be saved. Believers will be equipped. And so, Paul nangam sung engon ngasing mit khang ning liba asigumna. May we examine our life, our love for the souls, and our life as a Christian. May we love with compassionate love, and may we live a life that is holy before God and before other people. Aku punsi sa Esorna mang asengba mas magi meesingbu aseng punsi aduga asengba nungsibaga loinana apa pa wapaogi thogol tawna nabagi damakta Heiba khudimok sing aduglo na missions ki thabak te khaang makan meesingbu do khoi ois adu dem pangal ko Esorna ginis pangbi bangame mahag thosal marang kan lai mahag nung si sawi Esorna mahag na pangbi ngani mahag ngame prados Paisor san biduna aku mateng pangbi meesingbu asengba loinana asengba nungsibada adu asengba punsi ga loinana na ki thol thos ba aku mateng pangbi aku yasun musung pap sing kokpi duka aku bu ibungona ki thawagi thabak subi ba adu gi mapalna hena mayang khatpi Prabhu asukam chakro thawula semasung awaba singi marak Prabhu meesing adu nungsiba khaki mapalna adu asengba punsi adu khaki mapalna ba khaang mangam ne habna ki wine would be Prabhu over there aku sing basi ibon hang semgat bi thousand bi from the initial Jesus Christ in ministry amen